Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Defiance to Otoville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chandler, Paulding, Grelton, Arthur, New Bavaria, Liberty Center, Earsville, Colton, Brunisburg, Lottie, Oklahoma, Defiance, Melinda, Gallup, Jewel, Dexler, Pleasant Bend, Florida, The Bend, and Napoleon. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern and west central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance, Henry, and Paulding. A severe thunderstorm warning